everybody, how are you doing today? Hope you guys are doing well. We have another little clothing haul. We're buying stuff from Everything5Pounds again. Last time really worked well, so I thought, you know what? Also, I'm just, kind of justifying buying stuff for some hauls. But I got some, I don't really remember what I got. I just really put everything that I found was cute in the basket. So let's just dive right into it. What do we have here? Oh. Okay, this is like a little blazer kind of thing. Ooh, and it ties like up in the front. It needs an iron, for sure. For sure it needs an iron. So it ties up on the front and it's like satiny. The quality is, it's not the best. It's like actually not really the best in the it's okay, I guess, for £5. And again, my boobs get in the way of everything. I just need a little bit more fabric here. Just a little, other than that, it fits fine. Bigger would look weird here, but it would need more in this department. Or I would need less. I don't know. I will probably wear it nonetheless with something underneath, like a tank top or something, and wear it like kind of like a jacket. I already do that with tops that are like that. Ooh, it looks like I bought a lot of black things. Which I also learned from the last time that I shouldn't be buying yellow or green stuff because I have a green screen and it doesn't make sense to buy it. I mean, I guess for IRL stuff, but let's be really honest. When the fuck do I get out of the house? Like, I don't go outside anymore. All I do is like, work here, so. So maybe sometimes. What is this? Oh, what is this? Oh. Oh, it's like a high neck. What? Did I actually order this? What is this actually? It's by Me Scheme. Next, I really do not remember ordering this. Like, I don't know, but it's super soft, super soft. It has great quality. It's basically just it's basically a dress for girls that are shorter, but I'm very tall, so it doesn't really go over my butt totally, but it looks good. It's comfy. I like it. I really like it, but I don't remember ordering it. Oh, I remember this one. Ooh, this is like a crop top and it's all like frilly. Oh, that looks interesting to get into. Quality is nice. This is by Punky Fish London. Nice. Okay, I'm intrigued. Yeah, I like that. And another very, very, very cool clothing item. I love this. This is great. I'm just unsure if it's not a bit too short. In the back it's longer, but the tag is here, so this is the front. It's a bit much. Like, if I lift up, you can see my bra, and also I have to and it doesn't have a seam here, so it will roll up with time anyways. Other than that, it's actually a great top. I love this. This is exactly my style. I mean, it's kind of okay still. It's kind of okay. This is everything. Very unique. I love it. £5, dude. £5 Next one. And as you can see, I have a lot of black stuff here. I guess I was in a rainy mood that day. Also, I wear mostly black stuff, so I kid. What is this? This is by Swell Paris. Oh, what? Oh, is this a dress? Oh, look. Ooh, It's like a nice, okay, I get it, I get it. Like a nice, some nice strappy stuff going on. This might be actually way too short for me. But it has nice quality. Yeah, I like the quality on this. It's like a shiny material. Very nice. Well, this would be lovely if it actually fit me. It's not made for girls with big boobs, as you can see. It would fit my waist just fine. Just the boobs. The boobs are a problem. But nonetheless, this dress is really well made. It's a really nice dress. It looks good. It just doesn't fit me. This is for girls with flatter chests. Yeah, it's a bummer because it's really good quality and it looks really nice. Oh, this is another one that where the quality isn't the best. It's another top that is tied at the front. Same thing with this. Basically, if it wasn't for my bra, the nipples would be to the wind. It's a nice color though. The quality is me. It's, yeah. I mean, maybe I would have to size up, but like I said, I would just wear it as, you know, like a type of cropped jacket type of deal, to have it on over my tank tops. Yeah, but other than that, it's actually nice. What is this? Ooh, this looks nice. Okay, it's like a little cool top. This is by Lovey and Co. Okay, I'm intrigued. Okay. It's kind of fashion-y. It's very unusual. The way the arms just puff out on right there. It fits nicely, fits well. I guess you could do these up. I didn't see these, or like do a little bow or something. But it's nice. This is by I Saw It First. And it's also, oh, this is a backless kind of dress, as it seems. And it's a very short dress too. Unsure if this is not too short for me, but we'll see. We will see, right? No, this is not meant, like, wait, maybe? No, this is, I mean, this is not meant for my boobs. That's all I can say. Not meant for my, this is supposed to be a dress. It's not really a dress. It's not, it's weird fitting, weird fit. I actually don't know what to do with this. This doesn't fit me in a million years. Like, it fits me fine here, but here, like, my boobs are out. Okay? My boobs are out. If I didn't have a bra on, my boobs would be like nipples to the wind everywhere. Let's continue. I feel like I'm getting way more stuff than I ordered. Does it make any sense? Probably not. Oh yes, I remember this crop top. This is so freaking cute. This is a cute AF, and it actually has the tag. So this is by, it doesn't say, but it has the tag still on it. And this normally costs $60 or 45 euros or 32 pounds. And we got it for 5. Isn't that great? Yeah, so this is how you see that there are very different, many different brands, because this is basically like any clothes that they have too much stock or went out of style, out of season of the boutiques, or anything that really has like a little, you know, some like errors that the clothes might have. So that might be also something. Okay, now we have this little crop top. I love it. The frillies are nice. It gives a little bit of cleavage. but that's a good thing. Okay, that's a good thing. Yeah, I really like it. It's, you know, the color is nice. It's kind of almost formal. This needs to be like a little bit, you know. It's almost formal but sexy at the same time. Loving this. Loving this top. And like you guys saw, it's normally like $60 and I got it for £5. Isn't that amazing? Okay, what is this? What do we have here? Doesn't say by who. Oh, but it's a nice crop top and oh my god, there's glitter all over me right now. Yep, this is a glittery mess. It looks amazing. I did not see that this is glittery. So basically this is a complete glitter bomb. I have a very similar top to this, but it's not glittery. It's basically the same cut, but it's black with in a different fabric too. But it is very soft on the inside. On the outside, it's a bit rough, and when you do this, there's like glitter flying everywhere. But it's nice. I like it. It's very, very festive. You know, you could wear this on for you know, New Year's Eve or something. Yeah, I like it. Very nice. Cute little crop top. Yes, this is by Quiz. Ooh, in complete red. And it has like, you can't really see it. Oh yeah, you can. Look, it has like, it's a little bit lacy. Oh, I remember ordering this. This is a little black, super cool, super cool jacket. Look at that. Yes, this is by Jean Rouge, Paris. This looks super cool. This looks nice. Yes, it's tied with these laces, I guess, yeah? This top, just a normal crop top. It has like a little bit of lace detailing that you can't see on camera, but I really like it. Really simple. And on top of that, I kind of want to throw this jacket. Let's see, this is already done up. I don't feel like undoing it. Oh my god, this is amazing. It's a little bit short on the arms, but this is great. It has like this faux leather detailing, and this I guess we could do up a little better, but I love it. This is amazing. This is a great, like I ordered it oversized because I like jackets to have like a little give. It's great. Oh, I love this combo. Super nice. Last piece of clothing item is this oh wait, it has a tank top built in. Oh, okay. Oh, okay. It has a tank top built in. So it's like a little duochrome moment here. It's yeah, this is oh, I'm excited about this one. Do you see? It's like duochrome, blue and purple. I like it. I love how it shifts in color. The fit is weird. It's very tight, but at the same time it's like loose and weird. I appreciate the top, but I wasn't expecting it. I was expecting just this transparent top to come, but it came with a built-in tank top, which I appreciate, and it, you know, it kind of makes things happen here. I'm very happy with this. Very happy. Yeah, it might be a little bit too short. A little bit. I might actually just cut out the tank top in it. I'm not sure yet, but I love the color shifting. You can see it. It's perfect with my background, by the way. But it's beautiful. It's very beautiful. I love it. Oh my god, they're so cute. Yes. Yes. There's a little, you know, house slippers. They're by Fantini. Memory foam slipper. Suggested retail price $49. And we got it for £5, which is like $6 or something. Yes. Shoe wise, these house slippers, super comfy with the memory foam, super nice, super comfy, cute, and they will last me for like maybe half a year, and that for £5 is great. Okay, I think that was a good haul. I ordered everything. I looked at the pictures again. Some things didn't look like, or better, didn't fit me the way that they fit on the model, but it's all, obviously, those are all the things, all the clothing items. There's no scam here or anything. If you are, if you are confused as to how Everything 5 Pounds can have clothing items that are normally more expensive and good quality for so cheap, it's like I already explained, it's things that go out of season, things that have like little problems with them, and that's why they sell it so cheaply. But it's mostly because things go out of season or the boutiques have too much stock and they can't sell it. Something like this, for example, which is, you know, normally an expensive clothing item with good quality, but we got it, or I got it for £5. Other than those two, there were two dresses that didn't fit me. Other than that, I can make everything work. Those two tops that are like tied in the front, I can make those work. Other than that, everything is great. Like this is one of the tops that I will get the most use out of it. It looks very stylish, very, you know, fashionista, and I'm gonna get a lot of use out of this and a lot of use out of the other tops that I got, especially for my streams, which I really like to wear crop tops for my streams and things like that. So yeah, this was a good haul. I think I paid like 80, I think I paid £80 or something for 14 clothing items. That's freaking great. So yeah, I'm very happy with the haul. I'm very happy with all the things. Like I said, sometimes the quality goes from to extremely good, due to the, you know, due to the origin of the clothes. But yeah, this was fun. I hope you guys had fun too, and maybe you will shop at Everything 5 Pounds at some point too, because it's worth it. It's worth it, especially if you just, you know, buy a lot of things, and there's always something that you will like. This is not sponsored, by the way. I wish it was sponsored. Well, have a wonderful day, night, whatever, wherever you are, and yeah, goodbye.